This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm able to hear you. Yeah.
Okay, so today is the last session for our course. Okay,
Okay.
so today I will show how to configure credentials to create AWS resources from Python script.
Okay. Sure.
For activity is to install.
Sir, I'm not able to see your screen, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
to install Boto3 module. So Boto3 module, it is a module for a module in Python. Okay, which can be used to speak with AWS cloud. Okay, to create resources in AWS cloud, we are going to use a Boto3 module. So this is having several functions. Boto3 module. Okay, so it is the module in Python and it can be used. Hello,
Yes, sir.
it can be used to speak with AWS cloud. And what is the lab setup here? First, install Python using Chaco and install Boto3 module using pip. Pip is a Python package manager. Okay, pip is a Python package management tool. Using pip package management tool, you can install other modules. Now let us do some example. Let us configure AWS setup first. And here, first to create credentials in AWS cloud. Console.aws.amazon.com. And go to IAM here. Users, create one user. This is to specify AWS credentials. So here I am giving like Python user. Click on next. I am giving admin access privileges. Click on next. Create user. So go to Python user and here in security credentials, create access key. Select other, create access key. And select one drive here. Select one folder. Here I am giving like new folder. Create one new folder. This is Python AWS cloud. Right click here. Select git bash. And in Terraform classes, I told you how to set up Chaco, how to uh, configure AWS CLI also using Chaco install AWS CLI. Okay, so we did this in Terraform classes. A very beginning session, I think, first or second session. Okay, so we have done this Chaco installation. If you don't know also, you can set up like this Chaco installation on Windows. You have to execute this script from PowerShell admin mode.
PowerShell. Yeah, PowerShell. Yeah.
To install Chaco, execute the following from PowerShell admin mode. And to install AWS CLI, Chaco, execute the following from PowerShell admin mode. Say Chaco AWS CLI. It's very simple. Chaco install AWS CLI -y. Okay, already I have configured all this in my system. Already I am having Chaco AWS CLI also.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
In the
after
beginning,
this, yes,
you already shown it, sir. Already during the initial class. Jenkins. Jenkins also is part of this Boto 3, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm able to hear you now, sir.
Actually, my system is completely struck. I have restarted my system.
Oh, okay, sir. Actually, we don't have any contact
Yeah,
to reach
are
you.
you are you able to see my screen?
No, sir. No, sir. I did not able to see your screen.
No.
Able to hear your voice, but not able to see your screen.
ఇచ్చారా మళ్ళీ? Hello?
No, sir. It is not came. Actually. Shall I disconnect and reconnect, sir?
No, 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 it is not required. Just wait a moment. 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Okay.